Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can see your pendrive files on your laptop. Welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to make sure that your pendrive is connected to your laptop. So after making sure that your pendrive is inserted on your laptop, now what you're going to do is simply just open this PC that you can see on your laptop. So we're going to open this PC. So after opening this PC, here you can see this is the pendrive drive. So you can double click on it and see this is the file that is currently on this drive. Again, double click in it. And in here you can see these are all of the files that is currently on this pendrive. And just like this, you can see your pendrive files in laptop. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.